Hey everyone! In this video, I'm reviewing BoldGrid, a WordPress website builder. Find links to BoldGrid and related resources below. BoldGrid combines WordPress flexibility with a streamlined setup. It's perfect for small businesses, freelancers, and individuals seeking professional websites without coding or complex theme development. A standout feature is its drag-and-drop interface, simplifying website building and customization. Choose from professional, mobile-responsive templates for various industries like business, e-commerce, and portfolios. Customize layouts, colors, fonts, and images to match your brand. BoldGrid's editor integrates seamlessly with WordPress, maintaining its power while offering easier visual editing. Built-in SEO tools optimize your site for search engines without extra plugins. It also integrates with tools like Yoast SEO and Google Analytics, enhancing site performance and visibility. For e-commerce, BoldGrid supports WooCommerce, enabling online stores with customizable product pages and secure payments. Staging site functionality lets you test changes safely before going live, crucial for managing larger websites. BoldGrid offers robust support through tutorials, customer service, and documentation. One consideration: you'll need hosting, although many providers include BoldGrid in their packages. It's best for those wanting scalable website functionality. Overall, BoldGrid empowers users with WordPress flexibility and a user-friendly interface, perfect for building professional, scalable websites. Check the links below to explore BoldGrid and see if it meets your needs. This review should help you decide if BoldGrid aligns with your website goals.